So I welcome you right now, and we are playing a business game, that is a negotiation game, that who will get the orange. That is a unique orange. So we have got orange sellers who are A, we have got B, and we have got C here. Now I will make different groups where A, B, and C will start negotiating. A, B, and C will start negotiating. I will give you uh, 15 minutes time to negotiate. And I want that after you come back in the main room, you should be happy, B should be happy, and C should be happy. I don't know how, but I want all
Okay.
three should be happy. Okay. Once you get into your room where you are with that ABC will be there, you start your negotiation. Okay. Don't wait for me. Once you are there, you three are there in a one room, you start negotiating. Okay. So I'm making a room. I'll tell whom I want in the room. So I will recreate the room again. This time, how many? I think 5. Okay. We need 5 rooms. We need 5 rooms. Okay. Now in room number 1, I am putting, okay. Silky, you are A, B, or C?
I'm C, sir.
Okay, Silky is C. Okay. Shona Gupta, you are Shona Gupta A. I think Shona Gupta is A. And who is B? I think who is B here?
Sangeeta. Sangeeta. Jagruti. Sangeeta.
Sangeeta and Jagruti both are there. और कौन है B?
Sir, B3, Prakashni ma'am, Nisha and
Prakashni is also B.
yeah, Prashanti.
Okay, so Prakashni, Shona Gupta, and Silky, they are in a one team. Okay, now I'm going to room number 2. Room number 2, Alka Singh, you are A, B, or C?
I'm C, sir.
C, okay. Bashir, who you are?
C.
Jagruti, B.
C.
Jagruti is B.
Yes.
Yes, sir, Jagruti
A.
is B.
Yeah, A कौन है यहाँ पे? Manogya is A. Okay, so Manogya, Jagruti, and Alka will be there in one group.
So who are in our group, sir? Me, Sona, and who's the third person?
So friends, now all the A, B, and C, they are going to their different rooms. A is selling unique orange. B needs the unique orange for some scientific purpose. And C needs somebody, somebody of C is sick. She needs that unique orange. Now, I have given them a task that they should talk to each other and negotiate. But there is only one unique orange A has. So A will give it to B or A will give it to C. That's the question. I don't know what they're going to do, but I want that when they come out, they all should be happy. They all should create win-win situation. I don't know how will they make the win-win situation. Of course, they need to negotiate. And let's go with me to different rooms and let's see how the conversations going. Okay, so let's see.
Said, right? It's just
Okay,
one piece,
okay.
one piece of the orange, which I need to sell to either
Yeah.
of you.
So Sona, things
Right.
are like you have to sell, na? You could give it to me, you could give it to Prakashini. You ultimately
Yes.
you have to sell. No issue with this thing. So our objective is same. We could come to conclusion, na?
You can also win and I also win.
Ma'am, a lot of fruit vendors are there and they're also selling the orange, but my orange is different from them. I told you that the size of the orange is also big and the orange is complete ripe off. So how can I give this orange to you? And why are you negotiating me? Why you are not going to them? Go and buy the orange from them. They have also orange. Another customer is there with me. No, Jagriti ma'am is asking the.
So
this orange actually is a fusion product of another fruit, which is the source of vitamin C. Because we also think that this kind of orange or the juice of the orange is required or may benefit many people in different way. So the kiwi is fused with the orange.
Because I don't want to make any experiment on that, because my dad is my God. So I want
Right.
to
I
my
actually
dad.
I can say that I heard both of you and understand the necessary for the unique orange. So Prashanti ma'am, I want to say that right now I have one orange, but in couple of days or in couple of weeks, we will have another orange also.
One or two that part, 1/4 of the pills are okay for your your relative. Then others I can take.
I have to make the juice from the pulp of the orange.
No, she said
but-
she is requesting you to confirm from your doctor first whether
Yeah.
whether
he has
you
already
can
told that
no you can check
he has
check.
Yes,
he has
No, you
already
can
told
check
that,
from you
that
can check
he
you
has
can check
my
from your
doctor has. Yeah, I want to say
because
that
full of orange is not needed. 1/4 orange will be sufficient for you. So the 3/4 orange I can take.
no, that will be not sufficient for making the juice.
So guys, you have seen how people are trying to negotiate with each other. Some people are really enjoying, smiling, shouting, requesting, begging. I think I really want to see what the conclusion they come up. So many times we see people have, so creative conclusion, somehow, and they finally come to a win-win situation. But let's see. I will call them and I will ask what have they decided. Okay. And then we'll have fun. So the best part is in this game, people are talking naturally, people are communicating naturally, people are using their brain, they're making plans. So the best part is people are getting involved. Everyone, they're involved in this game. I think this is going to help them in their communication skills, their listening skills, consideration. They will learn how to consider for others. They'll try to convince people. So I think in the same game, we learned so many things. And yes, I just want to see what they do finally. First, I would like to know from Shona Gupta,
Silky.
Prakashni, and Silky, what have you decided?
Sona, will you explain? Because you are the seller.
Yeah, Shona
So you
Gupta, I
want to-
can't see you. I don't know why. I just want to know what was your decision.
So we have win-win situation was there,
How?
and so actually I was the seller, and Alka ma'am emotionally blackmailing me, and I told that I have asked this orange from Kashmir, and I have only one orange, and this is very unique orange, and the size of the orange is very big. This is very juicy, and the orange is very ripe top. You can see. Then Alka ma'am told to me, when Jagriti ma'am was about to say, then Alka ma'am told to me, that one sick person is there, and I required this orange. And that time Jagriti ma'am told to me that scientific give me to Alka ma'am. So finally we created win-win situation.
No, you have given to
According
Alka.
to the, yeah, I have given to Alka because she was needed a lot.
And what about
she required this
Jagriti? She
orange.
needs it. The Jagriti is also needs it, right?
Yeah.
Please, sir.
Like a CV, Kalyani Ramaswamy.
I want everybody to go mute. I'm talking to Jagriti, Manogya, and Alka right now. So Manogya, I think Jagriti is not happy. How can you say it is a win-win situation?
No, she is happy because she negotiated. No, she accepted.
She accepted, but she is not getting the orange.
She negotiated that tomorrow she'll come to me and she'll collect the same orange. Then what the vendor will do, sir?
There is only one orange. There is only
Yeah.
one orange.
But, sir-
Why tomorrow she will not get any orange?
So Jagriti is accepted the situation now. So she is accepted and she also
So she is happy.
happily give me
Jagriti,
the orange.
Yeah.
Manogya and Alka has convinced you and got you removed from their conversation.
Yes, sir.
Orange.
Sir, she is Indian
Because,
scientist now, so that's the reason she agree with us.
No, this is not a win-win. I think Manogya and Alka, they are getting benefited, but not Jagruti. I'm not. Okay, let's see. Let's go for the room number 3. Room number 3, who are there?
Rupesh, Vandana, and Sangeeta.
Rupesh, Vandana, and Sangeeta. Rupesh, Vandana, and Sangeeta. Okay. Now I would like to know, what have you decided?
As a seller, we did not knew that I can sell orange as well. But
Okay.
that was the very interesting session.
Okay.
So actually, they came up with the requirement that both of their near and dear are in hospital,
Okay.
and Vandana ma'am mother is in hospital, and Jagriti Sangeeta ma'am's child is in hospital, and both require the unique orange.
Okay.
So we did negotiation with him. So he
Yeah.
demanded, he demanded 900 rupees for that particular unique orange, and he told various benefits like it is a juicy orange and big in size, and full of vitamin C.
So
and,
Rupesh is giving to Vandana or Sangeeta?
No,
so he has sold to both of us.
But there is only one orange.
Yeah, that's what I was told in the beginning.
That's the USP of our negotiation.
Negotiation.
So how did I sell? Because I asked.
So he sold me that.
I asked the requirement.
it is 750.
No, out of you, who was the scientist?
He was the scientist.
Sangeeta was the scientist.
No, he was the Rupesh was the scientist.
Acha, Rupesh was the scientist.
Because this is our product, so I know. I asked the requirement how much quantity the doctor has prescribed.
Just a minute.
Sir, I think Rupesh and Sangeeta both, like Vandana and Sangeeta both became victim. Like and Rupesh is seller and also scientist.
No, who is the seller?
Rupesh is the seller.
And scientist also.
So how can be a scientist? Scientist is a different person, no?
No, it's
Rupesh, Rupesh, you were A, na? You were A, right?
Yes, I am A.
A is a seller. Who was B?
Sangeeta, sir.
So Sangeeta is a scientist.
I don't know the fact because
Sangeeta was a scientist and C was the patient, who needs that unique orange. I think.
I only demanded orange. So he sold me. He demanded 900 rupees, and after the bargaining, I purchased in 750 rupees.
Okay, Sangeeta, you did not bargain for you?
Yes, sir. I
also
sold them for 700.
She also came up with
He
the
also
requirement.
purchased in 700.
Okay. I think Sangeeta is not, Sangeeta did not perform a role of a scientist. So somehow here
there was a
Vandana is,
confusion.
so there is a confusion. So
Yeah, there was-
ultimately Vandana is getting it.
Yeah.
So Sangeeta is, not getting the unique orange.
There was a confusion actually.
Yeah.
No, sir, there is no confusion. Let me explain. What I did, I asked them for the requirement, how much the doctor prescribed the quantity to both of them, both of the patient to them. And they both has explored that it's a requirement of 100 ml. So I explained what my product is.
No, I asked one orange in the beginning.
Right.
Arey boss, there was one orange. There was no any two orange. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, we'll see. We have very less time. So let's go to the next person. Okay, we'll go to the the room number 4. Who was there?
Jaideep, sir. Jaideep.
Okay, Jaideep was there and
Bashir.
Bashir was there and
Prashanti.
Prashant.
Okay, Prashanti, are you there? Yeah. So
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
what was your discussion?
I was the seller for that unique orange.
Orange.
And this is organic product and can cure the virus infected persons also.
Yeah, I
So
know
in
that. I
our-
know all these. I gave you the orange. Now you tell me whom you
So,
give the orange.
in our conversation, Mr. Bashir required this orange for his father's
Okay.
store, and Prashanti ma'am required for the research purpose. She is
Yeah.
a scientist.
Mhm.
So I discussed with both of them, and finally both are agreed that Mr. Bashir will take that orange pulp to cure his father, because doctor prescribed that orange pulp, and Prashanti ma'am will take the peel of that orange and for further research. So both are agree to that deal.
Okay. So basically, Jaideep, you are giving the pulp.
Yes.
Pulp to Bashir.
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir. No, sir. No, sir.
If
Complete orange he will give to me. So
Okay.
after the juice, when I made, I will give to my dad. So here I can save my dad. After that, the peel I can give to Prashanti for the research. It will take maybe 5 to 6
Very good.
months.
Yeah. Wonderful. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. What was the next? Who is the next group?
Room 5.
I am
Five. Neeraj. Okay. Neeraj is
Neeraj.
there.
Yes. I am the seller. I was selling very nutritious, high in vitamin C oranges, which are very good for skin damages, which prevents blood pressure, lower cholesterol, and also control blood sugar level. So
Okay.
I was very strict towards its price. So I
Okay.
told both the buyers that I should not decrease its price. So Nisha has convinced me more than Ritu, and she also ready to help the Ritu by after my selling to her. I sold it to Nisha, and Nisha will give some of the pulp in that orange to this Ritu. So
Okay.
I will win, and they both are happy from my thing. I
Okay.
feel like they both are happy
Okay.
because
Thank you.
I am
Thank you very.
happy.
Yeah.
I am not decreased a single penny in
Yes.
my.
Okay. And everybody they got their orange.
Yeah,
Also.
everyone has get what they want. Like we have also able to save their life, and we are also able to make medicines from it, because Nisha was play the role of scientist. So she collect remaining part from for her
One fourth I will give to Ritu, and 3/4 I will take. 1/4 of a pulp means from orange. 1/4 of orange we will make the pulp, and that we will give to Ritu.
But I sold
for,
to you. But I
relative.
sold.
Yeah,
but I
yeah.
Okay.
sold to
Now
you.
please don't
I
fight.
sold to you.
Done. It is done
I sold
already.
to you.
Okay. Now
I
don't
sold
fight.
to you. No, we
Yeah,
are not fighting.
I'll go to
We are not.
Shona Gupta. I think Shona Gupta and Prakashini, we have not heard them. So yeah, Shona Gupta, Prakashini, you please tell what have you decided? You were the last people.
I was the seller, and now I realized that okay, Prakashni was the scientist, and she needed it for the vaccine, and Silky needed it for her family. So what
Okay.
I did was I convinced them that Prakashini can use the peel and extract the nutrients from it and make a vaccine out of it, and Silky can use the pulp and she can use it as an edible consumption material, and she can give it to her relatives. I charged it at 10,000 rupees. So Prakashini paid me 5,500 and Silky paid me 4,500.
That is according to the weight, sir. Whatever proportion she took, no, that charge she paid.
According to the proportion, they have decided the rate of payment.
She
So
said
Prakashini is
after
paying
that she will send
5,500.
me the residue so that I can use it back.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You have all done a wonderful work, and you all have negotiated well. But I just want to tell many people, when I gave you the information, I told you that, A has the orange, unique orange. The B needs it for scientific purpose, but B doesn't need the whole orange. B needs the peel of the orange.
Yeah, that's what we
did not hear this.
You did not listen, because I told you that when you
he
are
told very clearly.
Yes, I told you
Some
all.
of the part we missed.
Yeah, so that when you negotiate, you should be a very good listener. I told you that. Okay, so I told that pill, the scientists need the pill and the patient need the pulp. So I think people could make it a win-win situation if they would have, listened it properly.
Right.
This is a small example, this is a small example that we have not listened properly. Although we are negotiating, but we don't know that exactly what we need. We need the whole orange, or we need the pulp or the pill. Okay, so hope you have enjoyed the game, and
Yes, sir, we have
I believe.
enjoyed. We have enjoyed
Yes,
very
sir.
much.
Really enjoyed.
Thank you. Thank
We
you,
all are enjoying
participants.
because personally,
Thank you,
The
my
main
seller
thing
Sona.
is, the main thing is we
Thank
should
you.
get the
And also
opportunity to
Silky.
talk. We
Yeah,
should get
exactly.
the
In
opportunity
English.
to talk
Talk
to each
in
other.
English.
Yes,
In
exactly.
English.
yes, sir.
Yeah, in English,
English.
definitely in English. That's
In
that's
English,
important.
without interruption, without hesitation.
Yeah, absolutely. Because giving a topic, it is a different thing, and conversing and convincing someone, this is a different thing. This
Yes, sir, exactly.
conversation will help you more in your real life, because presentation, we seldom get the opportunity to speak, but conversation, we very often we go to situation and we converse with people. So
Yeah.
guys, before I leave, I just want to show the last slide, which I wanted to show you. Please see this. So either it is win-win, or win-lose, or win-lose-lose, lose-win, and the last was BATNA. The BATNA, the full form is best alternative to negotiated argument. So what you did the BATNA only. You have come to the best alternative to the negotiated argument. So that BATNA is very important. The name we should know when we do the conversation. So it's called best alternative to negotiated argument. It's called BATNA. Okay. So guys, thank you very much. Yes.
Sir, in this game, I find out my weak point. I am not a good listener. So now I am concentrate on this.
Yeah, please listen and participate, Jagruti. सब लोग आपको बोलेंगे, आपको बोलने का मौका नहीं देंगे. आपको अपना बात रखना पड़ेगा.
Right, sir.
Who were your partner, Manogya and Alka, right?
Yeah.
So they both were talking. So you have to get into the talk. Otherwise, you will miss the opportunity. ये तो game है, but आपके real life में, if you talk less, you will miss your part.
Right, sir.
See, you talk less or you talk more. You have to participate. Yeah, Jagruti.
Yes, sir. I'm enjoying also, and I also find out my weakness.
Did you talk or not, Jagruti? Did you talk?
Yes, I talk, but very little, but I talk.
But that's important. You have to talk. Otherwise you will lose. Okay, guys. Thank you very much. We are done for the day.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, guys. Enjoy your weekend.
Have a great day.